Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed services provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. Most of your employees have wireless networks set up in their homes. Unlike with your businesses, Wi-Fi, many home users are lax about creating secure networks, leaving a backdoor open to hackers. Wi-Fi signals often broadcast far beyond your employee's home and out into the streets. Drive-by hacking is popular among cybercriminals today. So a few tips for securing your employees' Wi-Fi access points. Use strong encryption and a more complex password. Hide your wireless network name. Use a firewall. These security measures are not difficult to set up. If you have any questions or need assistance, we will be happy to help and get your employees set up remotely. Please click on the subscribe button located here. Please give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Please follow the government's recommendation on social gathering. Stay safe out there.